Hi, Tiffany.
Dick had the cover on the swimming pool at the house yesterday when I got there. And it was probably close to 11 by the time he showed his ass up. And at that given time, it was still ice on that pool cover. He running around with his fat little self in shorts. He's like, I didn't know it was that cold outside this morning. Then he went in the house, he come back and still had on shorts. I said, it didn't get any warmer. Let's put the pants on. Oh, I'll be all right. Well, his legs was just as fat as my whole waistline. I mean, he got fat little legs. Right down through here. Fat, I mean, go ahead.
Where are you going, goofy ball?
Yeah, Joe calls him Shrek.
Hold your head up, Goofy.
My legs don't get as slow as my arms normally do.
Huh?
My legs don't get as slow as my arms normally do. I can run in shorts.
Yeah, I used to wear sweaters and like skirts midwinter.
Yeah, my legs don't get that cold.
As long as I'm working, I don't really
You
get
did
cold.
really good.
Still, I get cold.
Come here, let me see your beautiful hair.
Let me go sweat.
It took a long time, and for two, you did wonderful.
That is great.